this is Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another DIY videos, and this year long you're going to see a lots of DIY videos. As we all know that t-shirt are the staples of a girl's wardrobe, and sometimes we get bored of wearing the same t-shirt again and again, and those t-shirts are kept somewhere in the corner of the wardrobe and we do not use it. So in this video I'm going to give a fresh and a new look to our old t-shirt. So guys, the first DIY is a front tie crop top, and for this I've taken this white t-shirt which is slightly lengthy for me and not my style at all. So for this DIY video you just need a old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. That's it. So let's get started. We are going to cut a V shape in front of the t-shirt. So guys, you can see that I've cut down the front part of the t-shirt in a V shape. Now we are going to cut the back part of the t-shirt. It will be just a straight cut. So guys, you can see that I've cut down the back part of the t-shirt as well. So this is the front part. Now we are going to give a cut in the middle of the triangle. So guys, you can see that I've cut the middle part of the triangle. Now we'll stretch it a bit. And now we are simply going to tie a knot. So guys, our front tie crop top is ready. Now we are going to try this. So guys, the next DIY video is a bag design t-shirt. So I've taken this t-shirt which is a plain blue t-shirt, and I've worn this t-shirt a lot many times and I'm very bold wearing this again and again. So I'm going to give a new look to this. So guys, this is the back part of our t-shirt. We are not going to do anything in the front part. We just need to cut down the design on the back part. So as you can see, I folded a t-shirt like this. Guys, first of all we are marking so that we do not cut extra. So this is just a rough mark. Now we'll start cutting this. Please watch carefully. So guys, now you can see that I've cut down the back part of a t-shirt and it is looking like this. So now we are going to stretch it. You can either leave it this way or you can also do the next step which I'm going to do. So guys, watch it carefully what I'm going to do next. We are going to make a knot out of this first stripe. Now we're going to pull the second string out of this and again make a knot, and then pull the third string and again make a knot, and repeat this process till the last. We'll cut the last string and tie a knot to secure the end. And now we are going to stretch it further. So guys, you can see this is the final outcome. We can cut the end of the string which we have tied to give it much cleaner look. So guys, this is the finished product and ready to wear. So guys, if you like this video, then give a thumbs up to this video, and also to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such DIY videos in future. And if you have any suggestion for me, then do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.